Hey, welcome to Christ Tears TV. Today, I also have another wonderful strategy. Another wonderful strategy you can adopt to make money online. Quickly go to your Chrome browser and type in a site name Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. What is Fiverr.com? Fiverr, it's more like a platform where buyers and sellers go. What to get or submit request of what they need. You can work here as a seller by creating your own freelancer service on this platform. Whereas you can also work here as a buyer by just getting the service provided by those freelancers. So we'll be searching for a different category today, and we'll be using it to leverage the merit of other side. This strategy is new. I'm quite sure nobody has shared it, but if you can work on it, if you have the money to work with this strategy, surely you surely have return on investment. We'll be searching for what ebook maker, ebook, ebook maker. You can see this is ebook. All these people are providing service of ebook. They are providing service of ebook. You can see design ebook workbook lead. You just need to give them the idea of the type of ebook that you wanted to create and many more. Write a perfect ebook on any topic. Design your professional PDF file. Do ebook lead magnet ebook. Write your ebook on any topic. Do formatting and layout of ebook. Write a captivating ebook of up to, you can see, create a movie style promotion. Do ebook formatting. Write and design your lead magnet, ebook freebies and lead magnet. Do a professional PDF ebook, you can see. Design your lead magnet ebook PDF, you can see. Design ebooks PDFs workbooks, you can see. Design your lead magnet ebook, you can see. Design professional ebooks and free ebooks, you can see. Ghostwriting for your non-fiction book. So you will be going to this platform to search for these people designing ebooks and pay them to help you design these ebooks, to help you design ebooks. Other alternate route is that if you don't want to make use of, maybe if you don't have the money, you can also leverage a graphic design platform such as Snapper, Canva to create your ebooks. To create your ebook, just need to copy already existed ebook to create it. So once you have created your ebook, we'll be making use of a site named Jumia.com. Jumia.com. What is Jumia.com? Jumia.com. Jumia is an e-commerce platform. Let's just keep it short. Let me be real. It's an e-commerce platform where you can go to get any category of product you need. Any categories of product you need. So we'll be searching for product related to ebooks. Ebooks. Can see ebooks. Can see. Can see 5 principles and rules of investment. Can see this person is selling this book for 3,999. Can see Cardi Health Care Distributor Manual. You can see 5,500. So you can go to this site what and create your own. Once you create your design, you can go to this plan, then register seller. Then you register on this platform as a seller. Once you register as a seller, then you have license what to be able to also post on this platform. So this platform will help you promote the ebooks shipped from abroad, most popularity, all this. Sold out, shipped from abroad, guiding manual, ebook. Like shipping from Egito. Okay, the key distributor man. Other alternate route is that if you don't want, you can convert the ebook to what? To a clear hard copy, You can have the hard copy with you, and you can also have what the soft copy with you. With you, with you. Other alternate platform is that you can also go to a platform name what gg.com.ng. So this is gg.com.ng. All Nigerians, they have vehicle category, they have property, home furniture and appliances, electronics category, mobile phones categories, sports and arts, outdoors category, fashion category, jobs category, commercial category, seeking category. So we'll be searching for books. Books. You can see books on leadership. You can see 9,000. One philosophy book 6,500 promoted. Story books, religion books, phonics books, motivational books, motivational books, daisy books, decorative books, Faust books, Faust books, children books, children books, motivational books, inspirational books, inspirational books, bond books, and many more. And many more. You can also go to this platform what to sell what your ebooks, to sell your ebook. Other site you can also go is you can also go to a platform named what Amazon.com. Amazon. We'll be searching for category name ebooks. Can see Throne of Glass ebook bundle, an 8 book bundle, the Lincoln Highway novel, $14. Wow. The Mayday novel, Pandemic, the Extinction Files ebook. Everything's are all ebooks, and many more, and many more, and many more. And then there are so many sites you can go to sell your ebooks. So that's just it. For you can other times you can search for where can I sell my ebooks online. Where can I sell my ebooks online? Then you go there, then you register as a seller. Then you start selling your ebooks on those platforms. You start selling your ebooks on those platforms. I'm quite sure by the time you post your ebooks on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we surely make a sales. You will surely make a sales. That is, if you have the money to invest, this is also a good investment. So that's it. Kindly hit the notification on the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped out some video just like this. Thanks.